everybody, how are you today? This is Bahra Maseli and I'm here as an English teacher. In this video, we are going to learn some common mistakes. So, if you like to know these common mistakes, you can watch this video until the end.
Once again.
The first common mistake, get rid of, not get rid from. For example, we don't say, I'll be glad to get rid from him. We say, I'll be glad to get rid of him. Second common mistake, we say glad about, but we don't say glad from or glad with. For example, we don't say, Frances was glad with or glad from receiving your letter. But we can say, Frances was glad about receiving your letter. Third common mistake, we say good at something, but we can't say good in something, okay? For example, we don't say, my sister is good in math, but we can say, my sister is good at math. Now, next common mistake. We say guard against, but we don't say guard from. For example, we don't say you must guard from bad habits. We say you must guard against bad habits. Next common mistake. We say guilty of, but we don't say guilty for. For example, we don't say he was found guilty for murder, but we can say he was found guilty of murder. Next common mistake, we say indifferent to, but we don't say indifferent for. For example, we don't say they're indifferent for politics, but we say they're indifferent to politics. Okay, dear friends, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, you can share with your friends, and also you can subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to learn more English. Goodbye and have a great day. Bye!